welcome to Runaway Homestead. I'm Perry. I'm in my shop and getting ready to make something for Kim. She told me what she needs, but I don't know what it's called. But it is made to pack down stuff in a wide mouth jar and a small mouth jar. She's getting ready to do some fermenting, and she said they sell something like this, but I'm gonna turn her one out with one size on one end, other size on the other end. So time to head to the lathe. Okay, I went and got some beeswax out of my solar wax melter, and that's the last thing I'm going to do with this is work it into the wood and just help preserve it and stay food safe, and where she can just wipe it clean. Tried to keep all the edges and everything rounded where stuff doesn't get stuck in there. So time to turn the lathe back on and start working this into the wood. I've got the wax built up on it, and just the friction of the paper towel just helps melt it and get it into the wood. It'll start warming up. Just letting you see how this does. Hard to hold my phone and work this as well. I'll go back and get this area here. So here we have it with the beeswax all worked in. The friction builds up, gets it soft enough to penetrate the wood, and it's protected. She can use it and just clean up with warm water, warm soapy water, and a cloth rag. Dry it and it'll be good to go. And if I find out the name of this thing, I will add it to this video. So there we have it for the smallmouth and the largemouth. And she's got her little tool she needs. And I've got another block of cedar there, so I think I just might make another one.